Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Economicspedia. So today we are here with again a very good news regarding another exam of economics. As you can see written on the board, that is UGC NET June 2020. The exam dates are finally out. So here we are discussing the important dates and the details of this year's June 2020 examination. So let's get started. You can find the dates of the examination of UGC NET in the official site. Below in the description box, I will be giving you the site details. Please visit there and have all the details and information that you are supposed to have. So talking about the exam dates of 2020, exam dates are there in the month of September. Yes, the dates are pretty much closer. So the dates will lie from 16th to 18th of September. This will be one shift 2020 and another one is from 21st to 25th of September 2020. So within these two slots of the date, your exam date will be there. So for this updation of the examination, that on which date you are having your slot, so please keep a tab of the official website, that is ugcnet.nta.nic.in. The same link that I just said, you can find this link below in the description box. Do kindly keep a note on that. Now, so these are the exam dates. And talking about the admit cards, that when the admit cards will be there, admit card are supposed to come out 2 weeks prior of the commencement of examination, that is 15 days earlier. So for that again, you always have to keep a tab on the official site of UGC. Admit card, you will be having 5 important information, that is number 1 will be date of examination will be there, number 2 shift of examination will be there, number 3 is the center of examination will be there, number 4, which is very important, that is roll number of your examination. That is again a very important thing, don't miss out that. And along with that, we have the timing of the examination, that is on which day and on which slot you will be having your examination. Okay, so all these details will be there in the admit card. So for that also, again, as I just mentioned, you have to keep your eyes on the official website, or you can keep your eyes on the Economicspedia page, because we will be covering and we will be giving you the important details regarding any exams of economics. Well, so as the dates are in the month of September, it's like quite, if we count the days are very much nearer. It's hardly 25 days you have in your hand. So in this particular lesser amount of time, you all have to do is to practice the past year questions. As I always mention in all of my sessions, and in this session also I'm focusing on one particular thing, that is focus on the past year question papers. Okay, solving these things will give you a grip on the subject, as well as it will also provide you the confidence to sit for the exam and to clear it as well. Okay, so always right now this is the time where you have to focus on the past year questions. Along with that, brush up your concepts and the theories that you are having a bit of doubt about. Okay, so just this is the time where you have to revise. So give your 100%, and if you need any kind of help, Economicspedia is always there for you. You can contact us through our official mail ID. The mail ID will be appearing on your screen, that is the ecopedia02@gmail.com. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please show us your support by hitting the like button. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from our page. Thank you very much for watching and being with us.